Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and today I just finished up some work on John's Green with Envy 1968 Camaro. He had the hideaway headlights converted over to electric motors from vacuum originally, and some of the hardware fell out and actually bound up the motor, also kind of burned that up. So replaced the missing hardware and ordered new motors for the hideaway headlights. Previously, we put in a new tilt column for them. Gotta have tilt column, way easier to get in and out. And we also did QA1 adjustable coilovers on the front. I'm not sure if the original coils were heated or cut, but somebody screwed in those coil spacers to them, and the car obviously rode awful. And the QA1s, adjustable coilovers, those are the way to go if you want static. It's the best solution to get the right stance and ride that you want. We will be pulling this out into the sun, obviously, because that green, metallic green, white stripe, and the pearl white interior out in the sun, that color combo just dances around. Looks good inside, but out in the sun, I mean, everyone's going to see this car coming. My favorite part about any Camaro, the hideaway headlights. It never gets old. I do that all day long. Actually, all night long. Fashion people. See this out in the sun. In the sun, look at that shine. Got the billet 17-inch Cragars on it. Old school wheel with a new school size. Can you tell what motor's in it from the exhaust? Let me kill it. This is good. This is super good. Super sport good. Big block. 396. Chromed out. AC. Nicely detailed. Street machine style. And that pearl white interior. Bring that back. wood grain grip and wheel. Gotta have that. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. That green in the sun, I love it. Highlights those body lines. Cool hood. White stripe. Check out the stance. Those QA1s. Get it sitting just right. Got tire size just one size bigger on the back. Little muscle car look to it. And the big block. And I like big blocks. Just sounds cool when you say it. Sounds cool when you hear it. Shining just right. Really, I'd like to take a test drive in it, but there's really no need for a test drive because all I did was fix the headlights. If it was something mechanical, like the QA1s, I test drove it, make sure they sit right. But this is a wrap on this one. He's ready to pick it up and cruise it, have a good time again. Super nice glass all the way around. I'm sure that was all fresh when the car got redone. All right, that is a wrap on that one. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. We got Camaros here. We got other videos. Camaros, and more Camaros. We're moving on to the next project though.
Thank you for watching Crash Custom Cinema. Please like, comment and subscribe. For the Camaro enthusiasts, we want to know what year is your favorite Camaro.